Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to block a program from accessing the internet on Windows. Launch the Windows Settings app. In the left sidebar, select Network and Internet. Then click Advanced Network Settings and choose Windows Firewall. Select Advanced Settings from the center button. Select Outbound Rules from the left sidebar and select New Rule from the right sidebar. Select Program and then click Next. Browse to the program's path and click Next. Also, choose to block the file connection option and then click Next. Regardless, select all three choices and then choose Next. Fill in the program's name and description, which is optional, and then, after you finish, click Finish. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.